Open the door and see what everyone is doing. Everyone is working. Let's see what's on the table. Skincare products, drinks, fruits, snacks. And there are many delicate balloons, they are so beautiful. Exhibition stand. It has the salesman's trophy on it. Talent show time. Everyone gets a certificate and a red envelope. Thank you for your efforts this year. It's time to welcome the new year again. Wish you prosperity and happiness in the new year. We keep going in 2023.